It's time to stop the shame. Millions of women currently suffer from hair loss caused by genes, age, or traction alopecia from aggressive hairstyling. Now more than ever, it's crucial that our edges are snatched, laid, and well taken care of. Do you know, according to ISHRS, in 2019, well over 730,000 women underwent a hair transplant procedure. Today, that number has grown by 16% to 850,000. At Vinci, we deliver on our promise, hair restoration, but more than that, we transform lives. We're here to help you recover your hairline and your confidence. So stop by at any of our clinics today for a free consultation.